Scientists are bracing for a new potentially vaccine-resistant COVID variant to enter the UK, forcing the reintroduction of lockdown measures. There are fears Boris Johnson's decision to reopen quarantine-free international travel to those from the EU and US who are double-jabbed risks the importation of a new strain of the virus. It was announced yesterday that from Monday those arriving from the continent or America could skip isolation. Millions of extra passengers could now travel to the UK in a boost for the tourism and aviation industries. The decision was signed off by the Cabinet, as the government looks to return the country back to normality. Ministers are confident the success of the UK's vaccination programme means Britons will be protected against anyone from the EU or the US arriving with coronavirus. So far 71.1% of all UK adults have received the necessary 2 doses of an injection to provide maximum protection against the virus. A new University College London, UCL, study also believes 87% of the total UK population has COVID antibodies, just 6% off the 93% required to reach herd immunity. But scientists are worried the process made could be undone if a new strain is imported to the UK. Professor Christina Pagel, director of the Clinical Operational Research Unit at UCL, said she was worried about variants that are better at infecting people who are already vaccinated, given that those who are fully vaccinated could still catch and pass on the virus. She said a worrying new variant could emerge in the US or Europe. She warned such a variant will spread everywhere if there are no restrictions on travel. Speaking to The Guardian, the professor added, "We should be taking advantage of the fact that we are an island and having much more control over potential new variants coming in." Senior officials are also thought to have warned the cabinet against agreeing to ease quarantine rules. Scientists have repeatedly warned a new variant surging in the UK could require some legal restrictions to return. The Labour Party has blasted the decision to ease quarantine rules, describing it as reckless. They already blame the Prime Minister for letting the now dominant Delta variant, dubbed by Labour as the Johnson variant, enter the country earlier this year.